Alright, buenos dias, amigos, amigas, there in La Filipina. Guys, today we are here in Malaga, Spain. And I'm walking here in this pedestrianized street, guys, which is full of tourists. So ayan guys, look at that, no? Mayroon siyang covering, no? Para siyang trapal, no? And then, ang dami mo makikita dito. You have also this dancing lady here who's like dancing the Spanish dance. And also, ang dami mo makikita dito guys. Lahat ng mga, branded na mga gamit. Nandito siya guys in this pedestrianized street. So ayan guys, malapit lang ito sa pier. It's about a couple blocks away. And yan, look at this Spanish architecture, no? Yung mga niya, yung mga windows and so on. And these are typical of like 18th century, buildings. So ayan guys, mayroon tayong Lasitan, Mango. Ayan, dami talaga guys, nandito lahat yung mga turista. And by the way guys, napakainit. And look at sa likod ko guys, no? Naka-panties na lang dito, bikinis and so on. Kasi mainit talaga guys, at napaka-humid. So yan, maganda talaga dito guys pag pinapunta ka dito sa Malaga. Puntahan mo itong pedestrianized street. And look at that. They're adding more decorations guys to make it more lively and so on. So napakaganda. Ayan guys. Alright. Thank you for watching this short episode about Malaga guys. And yeah, gracias. Muchos gracias. Till next time. Bye.